Okay guys, it's Smart Tech here and welcome back. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, like and leave a comment down below. Here is how you can recover deleted photos and videos on your Android phone. To do this, tap on your settings, scroll down and look for battery and device care, tap on storage and scroll down. Here you can find different deleted files in your recycle bin. So we have my files, voice recorder, gallery, contacts. So here I want to recover my deleted photos and videos. So I'll go ahead and tap on gallery. I'll select them and then I'll just tap on restore. And then my photos and videos has been restored successfully. If I want to restore voice notes, I'll just tap on voice notes and do the same thing. If I want contacts, I can just tap on contacts and then restore. Okay guys, let me share another quick tip with you. You can also do that using your gallery. Open your gallery, tap on the three lines at the bottom, tap on recycle bin, and then if you have any deleted files, you find them here, you select them and then you restore. Okay guys, that's been it. That's how you can recover deleted photos and videos on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and leave a comment down below. Till we meet, I'm out.